You leave your heater on and it never stops heating, it never gets to the thermostat never kicks out, so it just keeps heating. And at that point it gets to, because these nozzles run at 200 degrees C and up to 240 on some of the ABS materials, so they do run quite hot and give you quite a serious burn. The average print, it's like this one I'm starting here now, the one that's just been started, is about a 10-hour print. So this printer will be running for 10 hours. So if you had that in your house, in the living room, downstairs, it could get quite annoying. What they've now done with the firmware in the newer machines, because they've realised that's a problem, is there's now a condition in the firmware where they actually look for that to see whether the temperature is actually, if the temperature suddenly starts ramping up really quickly, it will shut down the printer and say you've got a printer fault, and then that makes the machine nice and safe.